Hey guys, been IncomeOptionsTrading here on Friday, February 28th, last day of February for trading. This week was not good. Lost some money this week, down again today. It was probably one of my worst weeks trading. And yeah, if we go to the chart here, SPX, if we look at today, put it on so you can see my stuff. I put on regular iron condor here. The VIX shot up at the open. So I put on my regular iron condor. That call got stopped out. I didn't put the arrow here, but that call got stopped out right over in here on this late day squeeze up 1% in like 20 minutes. It was an insane move up here to end the trading day. That put me into the negative for sure. In the afternoon, 12:30 and at 1:30, I put on a short put spread. Both of those expired worthless, no issues there. And I did something that I haven't done in quite a while, but I did today. I put on another iron condor here at quarter to two, centered around the 58.90. I do 40 delta and 10 wide on both sides, and I want to close that at 50% profit. Got real close at the bottom of this red candle here. I was hoping it would stick around just for another couple of minutes and it could have went through, but instead that's from 236. That's when we rallied to the moon here. So unfortunately, red day, big red week. Get back into it for next week. Next week I'll be on site Monday through Wednesday, so I won't have any recap videos. One thing that I did do as well, and I'm going to move over here to Option Omega here if I can. Just give me 1 minute. One thing that I did, there we go. Whoops. So I moved all of my trades to the Option Omega bot yesterday. So for today, start moving forward, everything for tastytrade, I am just going to use the Option Omega bot, and I'm just going to watch it. So all the trades that I did today were done by the Option Omega bot. I did close out this 0 DT Iron Condor here, somewhere in this range. Save myself like 30 cents. It would have had to come down below 59.05. I think it was up in here when I close it. So I did close it manually, just save myself 30 cents. But normally for that one, I would just let it go till the end. But today, since I was watching it and everything was so strong, I just closed it out and moved on. But if we go, oh, I was pointing. Sorry guys, I was pointing to my my tastytrade screen, and it wasn't that recording. If we go back here, so this is the portfolio that I'm going to be using for the Option Omega bot. And what's interesting was 2023 was a super good year, so I think this is kind of a something that you can't really account for. But you know, last year this portfolio 180% return. Again, that's just backtest. Backtests aren't perfect. There's a lot of variables, so you know that could be a big difference, or that could be much higher than what would actually happen. But this is the portfolio that I'll be running this year. It's basically a wash. I think it's like 0.3% return right now through 2 months, so it's way below what it has been. And you can see that here. So this top is end of August, and it's pretty much been going sideways since then. So a lot of the gains have been early on, and I'll change this so it's August 27th is when that local high was. So you can see how close it was from then on, and how difficult it's been in the last 6 months or so. But then I'll show you guys the Option Omega bot here. So yellow is portfolio, green is SPX. So up a little bit. After today, SPX will be jumping back above the portfolio here. but just to show you, it's been a tough 6 months or so for this portfolio. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, 0.32%, not including today. And I've already had a pretty big drawdown, 9% drawdown this year. And that, I don't know, that must have been from this here. So the January 13th, the January 17th was the biggest drawdown, is what it looks like. But it's been a tougher year. So if we go into the, well, actually, I'll go from here. So I'll go into strategies. So the 1:30 and 2:30 trades, which is 12:30 and 1:30 Central Time. These are all Eastern times. That's my short put spread, 50 cent or $50 wide. If things are trending up, and we close on the breach. So that's that one. My regular iron condor, I open up in the beginning. That is this guy here, 175 on the put side, 125 on the call side, $50 wide, and a 4x net loss on that. And then my normally I did the reverse iron fly, but someone on Facebook suggested this reverse iron condor instead. It's with the 35 delta reverse iron condor going $10 wide on both sides. It's very similar to the reverse iron fly, but the winners and losers are less, and it's more in line with the size of these trades. So I am switching that one out with reverse iron fly. This Wednesday one, I really haven't done a whole lot. I keep forgetting about it. It hasn't been doing that well recently, but I've made a bot for that one. And then this 245 Eastern iron condor no stop, 40 delta, $10 wide, every Monday, Tuesday, Friday. Try to target at 50% and exit the trade at 252. So that's that one there. And it needs to have a premium of $4 for that. So that's kind of the bots that I set up here. Since I'm going to be doing pretty much just bot trading, I'm going to be looking at Option Omega each day more closely and following that. And eventually here I want to compare it to TAT as well, Trade Automation Toolbox. They're similar in ways, and yet they're very different. But I like them both, so I was going to do a comparison and see, show you guys what the difference is. Right now, TAT is available to everyone, and Option Omega Bot is still in beta, and they're rolling out to people each day. So I know if you're on the watch list, eventually you'll get put onto the platform for the bot. Right now, you can backtest all you want, but for the bot, they're rolling people out each day. So just slowly but surely, people are being added. So that's to come later. So like I said, I won't be here for a recap Monday through Wednesday next week. So I will see you guys next week, Thursday. And I hope you guys have a great weekend and a great start to the week next week.